Namaste Himgri House, and welcome to this year's Deputy Council face-to-face for the post of Vice Captain. I know you've all been eagerly awaiting this moment, and I'm just as excited as you all are. But I just want to take a minute to congratulate each and every single one of the nominees on their commendable journey so far. And I know I speak for the entire House when I say that we cannot wait to hear the speeches you all have planned out. To everyone watching from 6th to 12th grade, please listen to all the speeches carefully, because this is an incredibly important step in the election process and your vote does truly matter. And now, without further ado, I'd like to call upon your first candidate for the post of Vice Captain of Himgiri House for the year 2021 to 22, Anvay Mathur.
Himgiri. This word has meant everything to me since I joined the school. My second family, my home, and my refuge. My name is Anvay Mathur, and I hope to be your next Vice Captain. I was waiting for Manoj sir to scream, "On your marks, set, go." Well, he ended up screaming, "Anvay, shot super kar le apni." This journey of mine began 9 years, 57 days, 3 hours, 7 minutes, and 12 seconds ago, when I stepped on the line to wear my first Himgiri House t-shirt and participate in my first 40-meter sprint. By the time I started pulling my shorts up and started running, that was a defining moment in my life. Shorts. Stand up Himgiriites over and over and run to save our house. Since that day, I've been running for this house and I haven't stopped. There may be a lot of things when they come to your mind when I say yellow. For me, it's the association with carrying the Himgiri flag and standing on the winning podium. Being a passionate sports person, I've had the opportunity to do so since right junior school, class 2. Himgiriites, the reason I want all of you to count on me is because I know how to stand up and rise again if we face disappointment, and I will always have your back. I have an extremely positive attitude and I'm able to create a positive and inclusive environment. For me, it's always the team before myself. As much as I want to participate in inter-house singing and dancing competitions, well, I do participate, but from the audience. Well, you would have considerably noticed that during online schools, the participation levels have decreased by a lot. I plan on increasing this by creating online forms, which all of you will fill up. They'll have a bunch of events from which you'll select a few, and the most popular ones will be chosen and taken forward. During lockdown, gaming has increased significantly. We can have a form which will fill a few games, and you can select and choose the ones which you want to participate in. We can perhaps even have a football or cricket fantasy league tournament. You were all allotted a house in Pravesh Vatika when you joined the school. You didn't have a choice for that, but now you do have the choice to choose the right person for this house. My name is Anvay Mathur, aspiring to be your next Himgiri Vice Captain. I might have fumbled a bit in my speech, because speeches don't come to me naturally, but leading my house does. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that great speech, Anvay. My question for you is, if given the chance to be Vice Captain, can you tell me about what unique ideas you would bring to the table and how you would implement them in a way that your competitors would not be able to do?
So first of all, Advik, being an avid sports person, for me, sports has been impacted a lot. And because I know everyone in this house loves to participate in sporting events, I came up with an idea of something called the Fitness Week. So we'll have a week in which we'll have one day assigned to each sport. So let's say there's a Monday. Monday we'll have a general overall fitness day. So that'll be maybe a plank challenge. So it'll be an inter-house event. Maybe whoever does the most minutes in a plank wins. Second day can maybe be something like a football event. Whoever does the most juggles wins. But thinking about it, during lockdown, our mental well-being has been affected the most. And that can simply be doing anything that you want. Watching shows, sleeping, it can be simply anything. But at the same time, during lockdown, we've all learned a lot of new skills, and I think we should all have the chance to showcase them. So we should always have something called a cultural event. In this event, we should all showcase our skills that we've learned during lockdown, and there should be a dedicated marking system for that. So accordingly, we'll all be able to boost our energy and our spirit for this house.
Right. Thank you, Anvay. Next up, we have Arya Veri.
Good morning, students of the Himgiri House. This is Arya Veri. I'm going to show you why you should vote for me. You see, let me start off by telling you guys a story. When I first joined the school in 6th grade, I was ridiculed by my neighbors. They ridiculed me because of this, a Himgiri House t-shirt. They said that you guys never won anything and you will never win anything. However, on the bus ride to Thiagraj, we were playing bluff and I had an idea. I had a vision that we were going to win sports day that year. And guess what? We actually won. After the run, what happened was me and my friend were talking, and you know what we said? You know why we won? Because Batch of 23 joined. Because we joined. Of course, it was a joke back then, but I want to make it a reality now. You see, in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I was too shy to try for anything. I tried out for maybe football, basketball, and that's pretty much it. I was an introvert. But in the 9th grade, Kosta Maheshwari, the great Kosta Maheshwari, came up to me and he told me legendary words. You know what those were? Hey, try out for bandstand. Now, these words stuck with me because I was too scared to go on the big stage. However, I tried out, got in, practiced every single day for 5 hours straight, and we won. We won 4th place. You see, the lesson I learned there was I know what it's like to go on that big stage and be afraid. I also know what it's like to go on that stage beforehand and still be afraid. I know what it's like to win. I also know what it's like to lose. And for my implementations to the house, I'd really like to add an IGCSE form rep and an ICSE form rep. You might wonder why communication would be harder. No way. It'd be so much easier because when I first joined 6th grade, I didn't know anyone. I had a few friends, and reaching out to the house captain or even the form rep was impossible. I say we should add a form rep for each grade and 2 for each grade. If I can reach out to my best friend who's a form rep, he'll know what to say to the house captain. And that's why I think communication will be much easier. You know how Kosub got to know that I play guitar? My best friend, who's a form rep, he said so. I know what it's like to win and I know what it's like to do. I promise I'll be there with you, whether you're sitting up on that stage or sitting under the stage crying. That's why you should vote for me.
Thank you for that fantastic speech, Aryav. My question for you is, if you were given the chance to be this leader, what do you think the largest obstacle for you would be, and how would you overcome this obstacle?
I think the largest obstacle would be actually getting people to participate because a lot of people like me were too shy, they're too introverted. But it's not a bad thing, but it's very hard to try out for stuff if you just don't have the thing. But I have a little tip for you guys. If you participate, you might or not miss 5 minutes of school. I think that's a great incentive, and I'll be there with you every single step of the way.
All right. Thank you so much, Arya. Next up, we have Sarvika Bawa.
We were all gathered on the basketball court and had just changed into our shorts. It was Himgiri versus Sagar, and everyone I knew was gathered to see the outcome. My heart pounded as sweat trickled down my forehead. It was my first event ever. We took our positions. A strong sense of fear came over me and my mind went blank. I had forgotten or perhaps not paid enough attention before the match as I realized I didn't know which side we were shooting. Narinder sir blew the whistle. I said Jai Mata Di. The ball went into the air and then into my hands. I dribbled across the court and felt no one behind me. All the noise in the background became softer and softer till all I could hear was my breath. No one could catch up to me. I took the shot and it went in. I screamed of joy, only for my grand victory to be received with pin drop silence as everyone exchanged awkward glances. Narinder sir said, Sagar 2, Himgiri 0. It was in that moment I realized I'd scored into the wrong basket. I was sure I would never do an event again, not after this. That's when Anubhav, the then captain, came to me and began to smile. He spoke to me in a way that turned a terrified 6th grader into a player ready to go back on court, all while laughing. That was the day I won my first event and realized that the comfort and passion I saw in my house captain was something I wanted to replicate and someone I wanted to be for my future juniors. I'm Sarvika Bawa on the Zoom screen across you today in hope that you give me a chance to be that person for you. I know these 2 years have been so tough for everyone, and my heart goes out to each and every one of you who has just joined and hasn't even had the chance to experience this wonderful family in person. But believe me, the best thing about this family is that whether it's online or offline, it's always going to give you the authentic feeling of being in Himgiri. And this group of people you see here today will be there for you till the day you pass out and beyond. I'm so proud of each and every Himgriite and so delighted to see the amount of participation and passion we have in this house. In order to improve even more and taking into account all the problems I noticed in the past few years, I have come up with some ideas. Firstly, I realized that even though there's a lot of talk about creating a platform where juniors and seniors can connect informally, there still hasn't been a structure set into place. Additionally, form reps also have not been getting a lot of opportunities. Taking these points into account, I think that at the beginning of each month, the captain and vice captain should have an informal meeting with the form reps and decide on 2 intra-house events for the month. After seeing the timing preference through a Google form, we can have the competition in each grade organized by the form reps where the captain and vice captain can join and connect with the juniors. Secondly, when we were in school, we would always set housewise for each event, which always, heighten the sense of excitement, house spirit, and competitiveness. To try and inculcate it on an online platform, I feel that we should watch assemblies housewise once again. Thirdly, I feel that we only discuss problems and propose plans during the election time, while it should be something that is done throughout the year. To tackle this, I propose we start a quarterly Google form where we ask open-ended as well as close-ended questions on areas we can improve, events we should add, etc. So the voice of each and every Himgriite is heard. Now, whether it was 4-year-old Sarvika on sports day cheering on her brother a little too loudly in her squeaky voice, or 6-year-old Sarvika who had torn her ligament and twisted her knee God knows how many times and still insisted on doing every sports event, even though her mother and doctor had given her enough scoldings and bribes, or 14-year-old Sarvika reaching way too early in almost every inter-house dance practice, or 16-year-old Sarvika who stands before you today hoping to be your next vice captain. One thing I know for sure is that Himgiri has always been a part of me, and I'm going to try my very best so that it becomes a part of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarvika. That was a great speech. My question for you is that everyone standing for this post is here because they care about the house greatly and have a lot of passion for the house. What makes you different from the other candidates as a person?
Okay, I feel that since I was young, I would always delve into a lot of activities, and I've been doing this since I think 5th grade and 6th grade. So the fact that I've done so many things in so many different spheres, for example, I'm a lot into performing arts. That means I do classical dance and theater, but I'm also a lot into basketball and sports and tracks. And also, a lot of events that we have in school, I've done almost all of them. And I feel that because as a person, I've always delved into so many activities. When any event is, thrown on Himgiri, I feel that I can always provide a valuable input because of the experience I've had in so many spheres.
Thank you so much, Sarvika. Next up, we have Tia Bhalla.
Namaste, Himgiri House. You may have seen me running in school between the ICSE and the IGCSE buildings for most of my middle school years, clocking the perfect timing in between classes. Well, almost. Extending that timing while running 100 meters, 200 meters, and even hurdle races for the house. But what you didn't see was sometimes I fumbled and fell, but I still got up. Being a little goofy doesn't stop me. In fact, now I'm running for Himgiri Vice Captain. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tia Bhalla, and I have been connected with this house before I even stepped through the gates of the Vasant Vihar campus. In 2016, when I first came to Malsari, it was filled with intimidating and some friendly faces. Despite being lost, confused, and very nervous, I always found myself noticing those yellow shirts and gravitating towards them, irrespective of who was wearing them. This feeling of oneness and belonging is something I want each and every one of you to feel. And I want to be that person for you, someone you can always talk to and always rely on. Over the years, I've admired the qualities and traits that our previous captains have had. Motivating us, bringing out the best in each one of us, their dedication to the house, and encouraging a shy 6th grader like me to try out for every event, no matter the outcome. It seems like only yesterday, but what a journey it's been. This house has helped me discover a part of myself that I didn't even know existed. It's helped me make important relationships with both my seniors and juniors. And it always pushes me to the best of my abilities. and I want you all to have the same or an even better experience. So, why me? Firstly, I would really like to be known as something other than your tallest nominee. Other than that, I would do anything for this house. I've run, swam, played football, basketball, yoga, you name it. But rather than talking about events that I'm comfortable with, let me tell you about the events that I tried out for at the expense of making a fool of myself. I tried out for Interhouse Hindi Jam, बस एक और से ज़्यादा point के लिए. I tried out for Interhouse Dance at the expense of the people taking the tryouts. Secondly, balance and hard work. For my entire life, I balanced my academics, co-curricular activities, and sports. And I feel like years of having this mindset of balance might help me undertake the responsibilities that come along with this post. And lastly, and most importantly, passion and spirit. As I said before, I would do anything for this house. But for me, working for this house is not another task to add to some list. It's something that I enjoy doing, and I like to think of that as my biggest strength. One thing that I've realized and experienced myself is that house spirit automatically increases as house spirit increases, and that automatically causes participation to increase. And that's what I plan to achieve. Himgiri House, I want to be there for you no matter what. To play with Adya and Sarvaka on the court, to cheer for Kathu as we win Jam yet again, to clap for Aryav and Jia after they kill it on bandstand, and to scream my lungs out cheering for Anvay, Riya and Krishna on sports day. I want you all to feel what I feel for this house, but I can't possibly put in 5 years of hard work and commitment into a 3-minute speech. So I hope that my actions are spoken louder than words, and you take these actions into consideration when you vote today. So once again, my name is Tia Bhalla, hoping and wanting to be your next vice captain.
Thank you so much for that wonderful speech, Tia. My question for you is, can you tell me about one defining incident that accurately describes the impact that this house has had on you as a person?
Yes. So I remember that when in 2017, I was participating in inter-house swimming. And see, everyone that I was swimming with, they all used to do states and nationals. But for me, I used to do swimming classes twice a week at like a club. And I was so nervous because I had very bad asthma. So I had never done more than 50 meters because I wasn't supposed to exert myself. And I remember the house, they were just telling me, they were like, you need to just try no matter what. If you just try, we'll get 1 point for participation, because there were only 4 people participating in a 100-meter medley. And I didn't even know how to do butterfly. But once I got into that water, I was like, this is my house and I need to win. And I actually got second place. And that is one example where the house has pushed me to the best of my abilities.
Thank you so much, Tia. And thank you so much to all the candidates. This brings us to the end of this year's face-to-face. Now, before I invite Palak Chawli, your head of ICT, to explain the voting process and procedures to all of you, I'd like you to keep in mind 2 things. Firstly, the voting form is only going to be open for a short amount of time, so please fill it out within the next 15 minutes so that your vote indeed does count. Secondly, please check out the campaigning website that is now live and vote based on who you think would be best suited for the post, and not based on things like personal popularity or other things like that. This is an extremely important election, and your vote matters more than anything. Thank you to all the candidates once again, and best of luck. Now inviting Palak.
Namaste. I'm Palak Jolly, your head of ICT, and I'll be showing you how to record your vote within our preferential voting system. Now, when you enter the link, the first thing you'll be asked to do is log into your account. For this, please use your school provided credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see the form. Now, there are 2 ways to go about voting in your order of preference. Number 1, drag and drop. Let's suppose that candidate 2 is my first choice. I can simply drag the candidate up to the first position. Number 2, using the arrows on the right. If you don't want to drag and drop, you can also use the arrows on the right to shift a candidate up or down. In my case, I want candidate 3 to be my second preference, so I can just shift them up. Once you're done, hit submit and your vote will be registered with us. Thank you.